Speedy is located next to the pool in Desert Sands Vintage Trailer Park, right next to the Tiki Hut. Once you retrieve the key out of the lockbox, make sure to use the keyhole to the bottom right. There is a heater and a fan for your comfort. Also, when you open the fridge is below and the freezer is above, with a little latch to the right. Light the stove, get a lighter or a match, turn the knob to the right, and light the flame. Turn on the porch lights outside, just hit the switch as you enter the door. The interior lights can be switched on at the light throughout the trailer located on the ceiling. Be sure to turn on the hot water heater at least 15 minutes before you shower or wish to wash dishes, and if there is no water pressure outside the trailer, just follow the garden hose and turn the valve to the on position, which will stop the flow of water. Remember to turn off the hot water heater when you are done with it. Inside the bathroom, the light has 2 settings, and to start the flow of water through the shower handle, you just turn on the hot and the cold water knobs and pull the hose attachment to the up position, which will start the flow of water through the shower handle. The shower handle also has an on-off position. When you're done showering, remember to turn off the hot and the cold water at the knobs. Before you shower, please make sure that the shower curtain is in the closed position all the way, with no water able to escape past the shower curtain, because water can cause major damage to a trailer. If you find the shower is too cramped, we have public showers just outside. To operate the ceiling fan, you just have to turn this knob, which raises the vent cover in the up position. Then you have to turn the power button on. Then on the left, that knob is for slow, medium, and fast. The power button also has a forward or reverse setting to suck or blow air in or out of the trailer. To operate the toilet, just push the foot pedal down halfway to fill the bowl halfway up, and then push it all the way down to flush the water. The AC power knob is on the left, 12 o'clock is off, 3 o'clock is medium, and 6 o'clock is high. The lever on the right is the thermostat, meaning that when you reach a certain coolness inside the trailer, the AC will automatically stop and restart when the trailer gets warm enough again. The kitchen sink has a soap dispenser, hot and cold water, and a sprayer to wash your dishes. The bedroom window has a minor defect, so we use this wooden spoon to keep it open. Right by the front door of the trailer is a nice little folding table. Please make sure to put the key back in the lockbox anytime you leave the trailer, because on quite a few occasions people have lost the keys or gone to their home city with the keys, which is quite costly to have a new key made for a trailer. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact me, because I want your stay to be as memorable and as comfortable as possible.